Hello, I'm from Triple, and I'm gonna see this game that's called White Noise, a horror story or whatever. It's like Slenderman, but for Xbox. So, yeah, subscribe after the video. Okay. Oh my god. La la la. I have to find 8 tape recorders. And it's like Slenderman, but it's British tape recorders and like a like a white werewolf after you. Well, I don't know what's after you, but it's a weird thing. And see how far I can go. So, okay. And there's lost souls. Like there's like these ghosts that fly around. You can turn them off if you want to, but I don't have to mind. Weird. Is that tape recorder? Yep. Okay. First tape recorder. Okay. Kind of creeped out right now. Don't know where to go. Might get watched. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? So I got to go. So I'm pretty creeped out right now. You scared me. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Yeah, I don't want that white thing to wake me. But yeah, 2 rules. One, just keep on running if you can. Like, just keep on pressing it and then let go, pressing it and let go. And then 2, never look behind you. Okay? Never. Because if you do, you're gonna get a surprise from that naked werewolf guy. So, ooh, cemetery. Wow, creepier. Cemetery. And just like Slenderman, once you. Oh! What was that? Oh, scared me. Okay, and every time you get one, it gets harder and harder, like Slenderman. Like once you get one page, it gets harder, and then when you get like 7 pages, it's like you're gonna get away. But Mr. Werewolf guy, please don't wake me. I have families. Come on, man. Ah. Right, if you see like a weird thing on the background in the dark, and it's like a light, then that's me. Yeah, but that's like me, and yeah. So you won't see my face, but yeah. But yeah, the TV's or stuff, so it's not like close the blind as it said to. So la 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 la. Can I just walk in the park, Mr. Werewolf guy? Whoa, what? Oh, I'm not going in there. Well, yeah, I'm retarded, so I am. And you'll be like, ah, ah, ah. This game is updated, so it might have more creepy creatures in it. I don't know. There you go. So I'm following you. Where do you want me to go? I think the ghosts help you where to go. Like they show you where to go. Cause I'm following this ghost and I found like 3 tape recorders or 2. Okay, 4. I got the 4 before, but then my Xbox froze, and I was like, what the hell, Xbox? So, yeah, I like rage. But, I see 4 more to go. Ghosty, yay. Where'd I go, Ghosty? Please don't tell me I'm going behind me. Oh, it's behind me! I just saw him! I just saw him! I just saw the guy. Oh, damn it! Yeah. Yeah. Damn it! No! Oh, 5 minutes. You keep time. I just need 4 more. Of course, he has to wait me. Yeah, it's creepy like this. And, yeah. I don't know what that is. Wait. What? And then here's the games I made, so you want to get any of them. Oh my gosh. It's from Milkstone Studios. So I'm probably not going to play it again because it's like, oh, I didn't clap myself, but creeped me out, man. Creeped me out. So please subscribe. I'm going to invite you to the party. Bye.